Okay, now is as good a time as any to cover what do you do if you make a mistake in Excel. Now, in the last lecture, we edited the title of our worksheet to say My Fruit and Veggie Shop, and then a bunch of gobbledygook straight after it. Now, obviously, we don't want all these GHGH and various letters in there because we've made a mistake. So what we can do is we can use the Quick Access toolbar right up here and select the Undo button. Now, by hovering over the Undo button, you can see that you get the tooltip that tells you what the function is, and you can also see that the keyboard shortcut of Control and Z is highlighted. So if you left click with your mouse the Undo, you can see that that gobbledygook has been removed and our title has been restored to what it was before. Now, similarly, if we move over to the right, we can see the Redo button. And the redo, it performs exactly the opposite function. So if we hit the redo, it'll take us back to how we were just a few seconds ago. We want to undo because we like the title of our fruit and veg shop as it is. And there you go. That's how you correct a mistake if you make one in Excel.